Hey, let me show you unboxing of Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, and this one actually comes from European distribution. And what you can find on the box, just first information, probably the most important one, we got 200 megapixel AI camera with AMOLED display, and this smartphone support 5G for sure, I mean this version. And this is it. Of course it's powered by HyperOS, but there's like nothing interesting on the box. So let's go inside, let's find out what accessories we can find in the European version. So if you purchase this device from other regions, like from Asia or for example South America, you can actually get some other accessories. So let's quickly check this. Okay, so that's how it looks. Inside this carton box, we've got SIM tool. There's some paperwork, but we've got this case. And that's how it actually looks. We've got the bumper for cameras. It's flexible, it's well made. Let's check some other things. So as you can see right here on the box, we got IP68 water resistance, that's pretty cool. 45 watt turbo charging, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay, that's how it looks. There's like curved edges on the screen with the screen protection as default. And the back are made out of the plastic or some kind of the vegan leather, something like this. We got 3 cameras with the flashlight. Now let's turn on the phone. There we go, we get a Mi logo on the screen. We got AR blaster at the top. Let's check what we can find inside this memory card slot. I mean, SIM slot actually. Okay, so we got slot for the first SIM card, for the second. It's powered by HyperOS. From other accessories, we can find cable. This is USB-C to USB-A cable. And also we've got power brick, 45 watt. And yeah, that's all for this video, just quick unboxing. Thanks for watching, please leave a like and check my channel for some more tips, tricks and tutorials about Redmi Note 14 Pro.